I was so happy when I found Easy Renovations and they were so easy to work with. I would definitely recommend Easy Renovations to my friends and family. I'm actually looking to have them do a little bit more work in another bathroom of mine and probably some updates in my kitchen as well. I love the bathtub. I really love how the tile came out. It's so beautiful with the herringbone pattern and different colors. It's just amazing. It's so light and bright and clean and modern, but it's also something that, you know, 5 years down the road, I'm not gonna think, oh, that's out of date or out of style. So I'm really happy with how everything turned out.